For centuries, the tools of construction surveying have remained largely unchanged, demanding intensive manual labor from surveyors. However, with recent shifts in the 21st century, drone technology has propelled surveying into new dimensions, providing swift and precise data collection, ushering in a transformative era where efficiency and accuracy redefine the landscape of construction surveying.
My name is Josh Adams. I'm the remote sensing manager of Adams Surveying Company. Today we're at Sherman Phase 1, where we started doing the final surveys and the final as-built survey now that the project has gone vertical.
With the release of DJI Dock 2 and Matrice 3D, Adams Surveying can autonomously perform routine data gathering and has new tools to improve time management and to expand their coverage areas.
The DJI Dock 2 is small, lightweight, which allows for deployment in complex areas. DJI Dock 2 having IP54 ingress protection allows us to not worry about dirt or dust on site. Where we've been using Matrice 3D to track our dirt movement on our mass grading phase, as well as all of our verifications on our final cut phase. The Matrice 3D comes with a zoom camera and a wide angle camera with a mechanical shutter. This allows for high precision ortho photos with minimal motion blur or distortion.
Combining these powerful tools together, Adams Surveying is able to leverage the DJI Dock 2 and Matrice 3D to autonomously gather data from the site and then view the captured data remotely from the office.
By generating a detailed 3D model, we can monitor progress against the design files and identify any discrepancies. By using a geofence, we can identify flyable and non-flyable areas across the project. DJI Dock 2 also offers cloud-based API. This allows us to connect our third-party platforms to the Dock 2. The DJI Dock 2 quickly uploaded all of our data, and we're able to view it very quickly and efficiently. We can go through, verify all the photos, check the quality of all the photos. With a couple of clicks, we go ahead and start the mapping and start the processing of all the data collected.
By using a DJI Enterprise Dock solution, Adams Surveying increases response time, reduces trips to the site, and leverages drones to increase efficiency. DJI Dock 2 and Matrice 3D. Easy operation, superior results.